Hello. Today I'm going to use my finger to sand. What's that? Oh. Hello again. Today I'm going to use a finger sander. And I'm going to use it to carve the neck transition on this. So this is my great guitar build-off guitar. I glued in the neck. So now we're going to make this transition here a lot lovelier. First thing I'm going to do is knock the edge off of here though, before I try and aim and do anything special. Now this came with a nice dust extractor, but the port is too small for anything I've got, so I will make a lot of mess. But this is great because it makes quick work. So now I've just knocked this ridge out of the way, I'm going to use my special measuring torch. Everyone should have one of these. Because I figured the radius from here to here is going to be about there. So now I have a line to go back to. I might take it back further, but we'll aim for that one. And then try and blend this in. So in under 5 minutes we have roughed out this transition, which would have taken me it would have taken me all day using gouges and the appropriate tools. So now I just need to sand and blend it in, and we have a neck carve. Right, given one of those spindle sanders, I'd tidy up around here with that, but I have a hammer handle. Right, so I think we're looking good. First you use your eyes. That's not my eyes. Then use your fingers, because then you can feel things that shouldn't be there. And then after that, you can use something like alcohol or a stain to ruin your life and show you exactly where all the bits are you've missed. So let's do that bit now. Yeah, so we can see here's a bit, there's a bit, and here's a bit still. So I couldn't see that, I couldn't feel it, but when I rubbed some alcohol on it, that revealed the bits I'd missed. Okay, so we're very nearly there. Right. I believe we're in the clear. So I just need to clean that off and then work my way up the grits, and we are laughing. Right, well, thanks for watching, and hopefully see you on the next one.